Drawing view. Notation spot. After creating the solid models or assemblies, you need to generate the two-dimensional 2D drawing views. These views are the lifeline of all manufacturing systems because at the shop floor or the machine floor, the machinist needs the 2D drawing for manufacturing. Notation spot PTC Creo provides a specialized environment, known as the drawing module, which has all the tools required to generate and modify the drawing views and add dimensions and annotations to them. In other words, you can create the final shop floor drawing in this mode. You can also sketch the 2D drawings in the drawing module using the sketching tools. Notation spot specify the template type, drawing orientation, and paper size, and click OK. Notation spot, a drawing module will appear. Notation spot, it has different set of tools to create a drawing. Layout tab on the ribbon is the primary tab that includes nearby all drawing tools. These tools are known as drawing views. Notation spot, these drawing views are available in Ribbon Layout tab, Model Views panel. Select the type of view. Following are types of drawing views. The various types of drawing views are General View, Projection View, Auxiliary View, Section View, Detail View, Broken View, Partial View, Breakout View. A general view is a view that is independent from other views in the drawing and shown in the default orientation specified in the Pro/E environment. It is usually the first view placed on a sheet in 3D. It is the most versatile view so that it can be scaled or rotated to any setting. After you have created the first view in your drawing, a projection view is one of the simplest views to create. It is an orthographic projection of general view S geometry along a horizontal or vertical direction. You can specify the projection type in the drawing setup file by basing it on third angle for ANSI, default, or first angle for DN. Auxiliary view. Most of the parts are represented by using orthographic views, front, top, and or side views. However, many parts have features located on inclined faces, i.e., not parallel to orthographic planes of projection. You cannot get the true shape and size for these features by using the orthographic views. To see an accurate size and shape of the inclined features, you need to create an auxiliary view. You create an auxiliary view by projecting the part onto a plane other than horizontal, front, or side planes. Section view. A section view is a view used on a drawing to show cross-section of an object by cutting away or removing some of that object. Detailed view. If a drawing view contains small features that are difficult to see, a detailed view can be used to zoom in on a specific region and make things clear. You can add break lines to a drawing view, which is too large to fit on the drawing sheet. They break the view so that only important details. Selected portion of drawing can be arranged for a view using partial view. Breakout view. The breakout view alters an existing view to show the hidden portion of a part or assembly. This view is very useful to show the parts which are hidden in an assembly. There are some standards to specify a drawing sheet in as per requirement like sheet size, orientation, template, etc., known as drawing standards. These standards are given below. Drawing template, drawing orientation, drawing sheet size, drawing sheet format, balloons. Drawing template is a drawing file that automatically creates views, sets the desired view display, create snap lines, and show model dimensions based on the template. Drawing orientation is the arrangement of the drawing whether in portrait, landscape, or any other specified angle of orientation. It is specified at the beginning of drawing after specifying drawing module. Drawing sheet size. Dimensions of drawing sheet in X and Y axis specify the sheet size. It is also specified at the beginning of drawing. One of standard sheet sizes are based on the ISO 216 standard, commonly known as the A series. The key characteristic of this system is that each subsequent size is half the area of the previous one, making it convenient for scaling and printing. For example, an A1 sheet is half the size of an A0 sheet, and an A2 sheet is half the size of an A1 sheet, and so on. This consistent ratio ensures that when you fold an A-size sheet in half, you get another A-size sheet with the same proportions. This is particularly useful for technical drawings and blueprints, where precise scaling is essential. Sheet format. The format of a drawing refers to the boundary lines, referencing marks and graphic elements that appear on every sheet before any drawing elements. These usually include items such as tables for the company name, detailer's name, revision number, and date. BOM balloons are circular callouts in an assembly drawing that show bill of materials information for each component of an assembly view. The information is derived from a report table repeat region that you also specify as a BOM balloon region. Before you can add BOM balloons, you must create the table, add the repeat region, enter the desired report symbols, and designate the BOM balloon region. After that, BOM balloons can be shown on selected assembly view. Click ribbon, Table tab, Balloons panel, desired tool to utilize them in a drawing. A standard page in software having a drawing followed by some drawing standards is known as drawing sheet. Sheet drawings can be created and items can be moved from one sheet to another. Sheets in a drawing are listed in the Sheets bar. You can add a new sheet, rename a sheet, delete a sheet, move or copy a sheet, select multiple or all sheets, update sheets, and change sheet setup. You can view and update properties of a sheet such as name, format, size, and orientation by using Sheet Setup on the Layout tab. Additionally, you can select multiple sheets and use Sheet Setup to update properties of all the selected sheets at a time. Click ribbon, Layout tab, Document panel, Sheet Setup to define drawing sheet parameters. Dimension style. It includes font, text height, line spacing, and color of the text inserted into a title block or attached with leader line of a drawing. To insert a title block, Table tab is used from ribbon. It includes all options related to title block like rows, columns, font type, font size, etc. Parts list consists of a table generated by using balloons in an assembly known as bill of material BOM. It is specifically used for an assembly containing a list of parts and parameters as well. Click ribbon, Tools tab, Investigate, Bill of Material to create parts list in the form of table.